Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of culinary innovation with the Instant Pot RIO, a 7-in-1 electric multi-cooker that combines the power of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer all in one sleek, modern design. With its upgraded anti-spin inner pot, you can easily sauté or stir your favorite dishes, while the advanced control panel with a new cooking progress indicator keeps you informed and your meals on track. Whether you're looking to cook fast or slow, the Instant Pot RIO offers 13 customizable smart programs, allowing you to whip up everything from ribs and soups to rice and desserts with just one touch. Perfect for growing families or meal prepping, this versatile appliance can cook for up to 6 people, and its food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures even cooking, making it ideal for sautéing. Cleanup is a breeze with its fingerprint-resistant sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories, while over 10 safety features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid, provide peace of mind. Plus, with the Instant Brands Connect app, available for iOS and Android, you'll discover over 800 recipes to inspire your next culinary masterpiece. So, whether you're a busy parent or a cooking enthusiast, the Instant Pot RIO is your ticket to effortless and delicious meals every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.